Hey my friends, in this video I'm going to ask your opinion for the two type of lace frontal. So I want you guys to feedback to us what type of lace frontal on the lace so we can make the better one for you in the future. This is the one. As you can see, I will show you the difference. And this is another one. This is another one. Now I'm going to explain the difference for you guys. So now you can see the main difference is this lace frontal. Starting from the roots, there is some space that is flat without any curve pattern. Like this one, you see, it's flat. This one. So we start to make the curve starting from here. We start to make the curve starting from here, but not from the roots, not starting from the roots, not on the lace, but we start to make the curve from here. So that's why you see in this area it is flat without any curve pattern. So now let's come to the second frontal. You see, we start to make the curve starting from the roots. So as you can see, we will need to hold some strands of hair together and starting to curve the hair starting from the root. You see, starting from the root, we start to make the curve. So once at the beginning, the hair are all flat like this. At the beginning, the hair are all flat like this. But once look here, once we put some hair strands all together like this, all together, and we just part the hair all together to make some curve from the root, and some space you will look, it looks like bell in the area. It looks like bell in the area, just like here. You see? Can you see? It looks, some people will say, hey, why there is very bell here? So now I'm going to explain to you, because we start to cut the hair from the root. We start to cut the hair from the roots. We pull the hair together, and we pull the hair together, and we part it. Once after we part this, there will be some bell area like this. With bell area like this. I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. At the beginning, the hair are all flat like this, and you don't see the bell area. But after we pull the hair apart to make the curve starting from the roots, so it appears belled on the lace like this. But it is because we cut the hair starting from the roots. So that's how it looks now. You see, the curve starting from here, all the curves start from here on the lace. You see, that's why it looks bell. That's why it is because we pull the hair. It is because we pull the hair apart. As you can see, there are still some knotted hand tie hair on the lace. You see, or it's not belt. Actually, it's not belt. Actually, it is because we pull the hair apart to make the curve. So you see. So I want you guys to give me opinion. Which one you like? Do you like this one? On the top area, it is flat. Do you like this one? Or do you like this one? Or do you like this one to curl the hair starting from the roots? Which one do you like? You see, there are some curls starting on the lace. It looks like this, and here it's very flat. Here is very flat without any curve on the lace. You see, it's very flat, very straight. It's very straight. So which one do you like? Tell me. This one, this one. We call it A. We call it A. So let's say we call it B. We call it B. This one. So do you like the A or B? Please tell us so we can make the lace frontal accordingly for you guys to sell in the shops, in the salons, in your builder supply stores. Which one do you like? We will wait for your feedback. Thank you very much.